Sir, good afternoon. Kanina po ay natanong tayo sa MPC kung nagkita na daw po tayo. Since nandito po ako sa one of your events, sasamantalahin ko na po. Kamusta na po kayo, sir? How are you feeling today?
I'm fine. I'm feeling very different from the way I was feeling before. Naayos na yung problem. What happened was I now have diverticulitis. It's a common complaint amongst apparently people who are heavily stressed and people who are, I have to admit, growing old.
Overwork kayo, sir eh. Di ba sinabi ng doktor na hinay-hinay muna?
No? Well, yeah, of course, lagi naman sinasabi ng doktor sa akin yun. Pero paano mo naman gagawin yun? Ang daming trabaho.
So, sir, ano mensahe niyo doon sa mga taong nais na kayo mawala sa pwesto?
Okay, okay muna masyado ma-excited dahil it's not a life-threatening condition.
So, sir, wala kaming dapat ipag-alala?
Wala, huwag kayo mag-alala. The rumors of my death are highly exaggerated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.